the inverter is not producing AC power. Is your inverter not generating 120 V power? Make sure the inverter's control panel is turned on and that your batteries are sufficiently charged. An E01 error code may appear on the inverter's control panel when your batteries are too low. If that's not the case, it's possible that one of the inverter's 2 thermal breakers has tripped. Simply locate them on the inverter and press them to reset. Thermal breakers can trip due to excessive power demand. This power demand may also cause error codes E03 and E07 to appear. When these codes are displayed, it's important to act quickly and reduce the power demand by turning off some devices in your van. If your inverter still doesn't produce power after following these steps, please contact us at atelier@vanlifemtl.com.